Bless up yourselves, guys. Pick up yourselves. Welcome back to the channel. I'm sitting here. I'm actually just waiting on my car wash. I was trying to get my car cleaned, get some of this stuff cleaned up, make sure it's clean. Normal people things. So my car wash just happened to be one of my car washes that I use. Just happened to be on the water, which in majority of my car washes are on the water, because then I can multitask and kill two birds with one stone. I can go fishing for a bit while my car is getting cleaned, and then once I'm finished the fishing, and then I'll come back and my car is ready, which makes sense, right? So I'm sitting here thinking on this beach today, and I'm contemplating what kind of content do I want to do as far as fishing goes. And I'm like, well, you're on a fisherman beach, and what other better content to do than do a content about the fisherman beach or fishing or whatever the case. The sun is kind of hot. I do have my hat and stuff. I am probably going to throw out a little bit of lures in a little bit, but I wanted to walk this beach and see what we can find, what kind of fresh seafood we can find that's available, readily available on the beach right now, and the vendors, and find out what's their prices and what's the cost to fish and whatever the case might be. So I really haven't seen anybody done this yet, so I'm sitting here thinking it's just spontaneous. This is nothing planned. I did not come down here to shoot any video or whatsoever, but at all times I always have my gears with me, as far as one fishing rod, which is right here. I have this one right here, and I normally have my gimbal and a couple of tripods and whatever in the car with me anyways, and whatever extra equipment I come out with in the morning. So without further ado, guys, stay tuned. We're going to take a walk down the beach and going to take a look and see what's going on down there. All right, guys? So bless up yourselves, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. All right, guys. So we started our walk, right? The first thing that I noticed, we just found ourselves the tackle shop. So now, being a fisherman, we have to go into the tackle shop. So this is our local fisherman tackle shop that's here in Montego. That's down on the Fisherman beach. This is where you actually get your fishing license. So the next spot is our local fishery, which would be right there where that white car is right there. That's our local fishery here in Montego, that you can get your fishing license and your boat license and whatever the case. You apply for that stuff right there at that building. So stay tuned, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We're about to go inside of the fishery real quick and check it out. All right, bless up yourselves. Stay tuned. All right, Jamaican shore fishing. So we just got into the fishing shop, guys, and we just find a missing in action friend that I've been searching for a while now. Can't find her from the other day. Keep on missing her, but I finally caught her. So this is our local fishing shop, guys, down here in Montego, and I've been trying to shoot this video for a long time, but unfortunate situations have been preventing that. But anyways, so pick up yourself. She's dealing with a customer, and once she gets done, then we can just get to our guys and show you guys what's going on here. So this is your local hook chart. So you have different size hooks, 1/0 hooks. If you guys notice, I always speak about the 1/0, 2/0, 3/0, all the way up to 6/0, and that's where I use for the jacks, the big jacks that I catch. So you have different side grades in hooks that you use, 12/0 hooks, 10/0 hooks. So just know your measurements and your sizes, guys. It's good to memorize this, so at least when you go to a fishing shop, you can tell them what you want to purchase, and that's the best bet. All right, so this is what it looks like. The sizes are there. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, so the next chart that we're going to jump onto now, she just finally finished with her customer. This is my friend here.
Hi guys.
You know what I'm saying?
Good morning.
So we got our swivel charts. These are barrel swivels, guys, and the barrel swivels go in sizes also. So when you go to the fishing shop, you can actually go there and tell them what size barrel swivels you need, or what size lock swivels you need, or three-way swivels. These three-way swivels are used normally for long palanca lines. Like a lot of people use them because they don't twist the line up or cause the line to bend. So if you want to add 6 hooks to a line, these are the type 3-way rigs that you use, or you want to add 2 lines to one and run a double line, you can use these 3 ways just as well. Alright guys, so there so, and she has a whole bunch of stuff that I purchase here all the time, especially the toothproof wire, which and I want one of those now, my 32 pound or 30 pound.
32 pounds.
Yep, so this is mine's right here. I'm about to purchase this, guys, and this is what I buy for my barracuda killings. All them big barras that you guys always see me killing, this is it. I get this here. So she also have nets, different size nets that they sell, the grades, and stuff that you can actually come here and purchase, guys. Life jackets, safety gears, PDF gears, call them that. PDF gears. Like she also has flares. Do you have any flares still?
No, not at the moment.
Yes. And
we sell flares, we sell fish gun spears, fiberglass, liquid, Martin Rowe foam, liquid foam. We have a wide variety of things. Scale, cast net, regular nets.
Yep, and spears. She also sells
fish
spears.
Wires.
Yep. And
we sell ropes.
That is it.
We sell a lot of little stuff.
There, guys. So you can come here
Fins.
and get fins just as well. And she has lines, a lot of fishing line. So you can come here and get fishing line. At one point, she had a whole bunch of nylon lines. Mask, fishing diving mask,
yes.
Professional ones. And spark plugs for boats. Two-stroke oil for boats. And lubricant, hydro gear lubricant for boats and stuff like that, guys. So you can get that stuff to purchase here at your local fishing shop right here in Montego Bay, down by River Bay Road. Right by Dragon Gym, they call it. Alright, so in our displays, you have a whole bunch of other heavy lines and stuff in there, guys. So take a look at that.
And we have them here too, because sometimes we have to put gaff hook them.
Oh yeah. So if you want gaff hooks to build your own gaff, she has that stuff right here, guys.
And we sell like binding wire, machete.
Yep. And stuff like that. So make sure you come down here.
Lead. We sell a lot of stuff.
Yeah. So I also purchased leads in here to make my weights too, guys. So yeah. And floats and stuff like that. So check her out, guys, definitely. So we're gonna finish up here, guys, and then we're gonna head down the beach, and then we're gonna introduce you some seafood. So stay tuned. Awesome day. We got to get to the fishing shop. I get to wash my car, and I'm gonna do a little bit of fishing just as well. So stay tuned. So walk on the beach, right? The fishing net. So this is one of the trades. I have my own YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a fisherman. You don't mind my video, you do you? Alright, so yo guys, this is one of our local fishermen, guys, and he's building a fish pot, and these are the fish pots that we use here in Jamaica. And the boats carry them out in the morning, they set them with the buoys and stuff, and then the fish goes in one end, but he can't come back out, because they kind of get confused because they can't really see the wire, or the exit really, because all the wire can confuse them. So this is original old trade. Not many people know how to do this still, just a few. And trust me, you can see the money edge. Not many young folks do this. You can't find them out here. And this is a trade that's eventually going to be probably lost in years if some of the young bucks don't pick it up. You know what I mean? So this is what's up, guys. This is one of our fish pot builders. So we're gonna walk down the beach, and here goes a few more that he built. So the build have been multiples on the sticks that they use, guys. So let's walk and look at this, right? Come on, this is awesome, guys. So check it out. Alright, definitely. All kinds of stuff here, guys, that they use. Wires and stuff they sell in the local fishery. And these are your local boats that they carry these stuff out. Normally they would have plastics on them. These rigs that they have to push the lines out further off the boat and stuff like that, guys. So we'll move down and check out one of our local fishermen and see what kind of fish they got. You understand, guys? Big up yourself. Wagwan, Maji. Wagwan, you good? We're shooting a video today. Come down to one of our local fishing, and basically it's a gentleman that actually cleaned up the fish for us last time. In general, right here, so same way. And just come down and check out what fish they have in the cooler. So this is your local fishing beach, guys, where you can buy your fresh fish and see some of the nice pretty snappers and stuff that they have down here, guys. And you can come down and just pick out your fish anytime you want, and what size fish you want, what type fish you want, and just go and purchase the thing. And Jenna here, so clean them up for you really nice, slice them up for you and thing, and you can get yourself prepared and do your thing. Yes, I mean. So let's all go and move on down the beach same way. Shoot some more video, guys. So stay tuned. This is my friend here eating our fresh fruits and I'm on, and she's responsible for the fish that we just looked at, guys.
Yeah.
So make sure you tell you our name, give you our number and thing, and go on big up the thing.
Hi everyone, my name is Chun. As you can see, Chun Ocean Lover Seafood. Yes, I am the owner. You can contact me on TikTok. You can contact me at 8651731. And you can also come to the Fisherman Beach. Variety of fishes over here. And everything is good over here. It's a nice environment. You can come and chill, eat at the restaurant, go fishing, and enjoy yourself. And we have games as well.
Yeah, man. So as you can see, guys, so check her out. Definitely go over to our page and give her some support. You see? Yeah, man. So we're gonna take a look at walk down the beach, guys, and check out some other things on the beach and see what's up before we head back up.
Alright, big up yourself.
Alright, cool, man. That's here, so same have some clothing line and some roots and them things here.
Honey.
Deal with the honey and thing just as well. Some natural vibes.
Yeah, man, I don't know a Jerry's production line.
Yeah, guys, so you can go over to Jerry's, and you have a Jerry's and you have a page?
Well, we have Instagram. Jerry's
Let them know your page, man.
Jerry's a 9.
Alright, Jerry's a 9, guys, and you see phone number up on the back line and everything.
8528.
Alright.
876.
Cool, man.
No, so I big up the whole world. Jerry's for every season.
Yeah, man, guys. So go over to Jerry's and page, guys, on Instagram and check him out and check out his products. He has some healthy products, some honey and some roots and them something there, you know, so you have to drink up your tonic and them something there, guys. So definitely go over to his channel, go over to his page and give him some support. See?
Natural.
Alright, natural vibes. I'm Jenna. They also purchased some fish from last time, guys. I don't know if you guys were watching my last video, but I came here and got some awesome fish, and so guys, and he does have some selection here, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that snapper, guys. Look at the size. Look at the size of these. Look at that parrot, guys. Yeah, man. So this is what I thought about, guys. So you can come down to the Fisherman Beach in Montego Bay and take out my general here. And yeah, Shango. And if you want to get Shango, you want to drop your number up on the screen and make them know your number.
Yeah, 342-8404.
Alright, that is it, guys. And that's 876 area code, guys. Here. So make sure you go, so guys, and drop them a call if you want to order your fish, guys, and call them ahead and just pop up on the beach and just go and get your fresh fish, guys. And this is our Montego Bay Fisherman Beach, located down by River Bay Road in Montego Bay. So if you don't live in Jamaica and you come here, you just actually Juta bus to just carry it on here.
Yeah, man.
And you can carry it on and get your fresh fish, alright? So just stay tuned, guys. Alright? Alright, bless up yourself, man.
Every time.
Cool, man. Alright, so there's some bridges here, man. And I'll show you see him clean up him fish and thing. And you don't know him just clean up a few more to get them to the customers and get them after them. You understand, guys? So stay tuned, guys. We're there, so Jenna there, so same way. So make sure when you come on the beach and you link this Jenna. You go so Nigel and you go so, you see me? You don't know. Alright, Nigel, bless up yourself. Alright, guys. So we're chatting on down more on the Fisherman Beach. And we'll go down to some more sides where they're cleaning up fish and stuff. You can see all the birds waiting around for their lunch and do them thing. So you see me? So we have the young lady here just cleaning up some punch and getting it together. And we have some whole heap of fish right here. So
One love.
Yeah, man, some beautiful one, you know?
Yeah, man. We got some more
see it.
pretty fish.
Yeah.
Strawberry grouper right there, guys.
Yeah, man, whole heap of nice fish here. You see. Business is right, you know?
Yeah, man. Just like
$1,300 a pound.
that is it, guys.
Right, that's all.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So make sure when you come Mobile, guys, and you want your fresh fish, you come down to the Fisherman Beach on River Bay Road and get your fresh fish, and you can get them cleaned up right on the spot. And then once you get them cleaned up, on your way. That is it. Alright, so stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. I was sitting there waiting on this guy to show up, and he never did show up. So I ended up getting that video of our local Fisherman Beach, which is pretty cool, pretty awesome. So if you come into Mobe and you want fresh fish, now you know where to get it. That's one of the Fisherman Beach, by the way. We have multiples. We have other ones that are in actually here outside of outskirts of town. 2 other ones. You have Harvey Beach, and then you have the Redding Beach, that also where Dark Dive's at. So big up Dark Dive. Woo! Yeah, man. See him where Mobile Link. See him where. You see it? So bless up, guys. Bless up yourselves. Thank all you guys for joining. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ad, guys. And thank all you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing and your continuous support. Definitely appreciate it. All right, guys. So one love, guys. Until the next. Bye bye.